Good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about system reward and punishment again. This is the third one of three that I've talked in regard to groups. What is a system, first of all? A system is a group of elements which work together. Hopefully they work together and to bring about whatever the purpose is of the system. This is a normal system which is natural. A natural system is like this. A system which has been invaded by rewards or punishments or both, because they go together. It becomes like a system with another system within it. The rewards and punishment is a system which actually causes the original system to malfunction to a certain extent, and it's like an illness within a person. There's a whole system, the way the illness works, which is not the same system that the person has naturally, and it eats at the regular system. This reward and punishment part of the system eats away at the normal system so that it is affected by it, and it becomes worse and worse. As time goes on, it has a multiplier effect where it goes faster and faster and worse if it's allowed to continue. Just the way illnesses sometimes do. They get worse and worse. Instead of just going at an even speed, they accelerate. And that's the way rewards and punishments, as it multiplies out with more and more elements participating, let's say people. In this case, we're talking about systems made up out of people. Those are the elements. And as this happens, as rewards and punishments start being used, it affects more and more of the overall system. And the overall system could be thought of as the common good. That natural system is actually paying the price of what the other system, the rewards and punishment system, is rewarding. The rewards have to be paid for. So that would be paid for by the bigger system, or the more complex natural system pays the price of the rewards and punishments. It could be such a system could also be likened to drug addiction. Drug addiction might start small, but as it gets going, it takes over the person's natural body and life more and more, and it's like a sickness within the person. And that is addiction and reward.